Hi, I'm John Yulee from BackupPaddle.com. I made this video to show you how to use and install our latest product, the Paddle Pouch, the no drill, install in less than a minute kayak paddle holder. Now it's made from a strong sheet of polyethylene that's reinforced with polyethylene and polyester strings, and it has the Velcro brand 10-pound strength hook and loop fastening system on it. So, if you want to hold one paddle alongside or your main paddle, it'll do that easily. So you've got the backup paddle. Hold that alongside. Also, let's say you're going on a camping trip or an extended trip and you're carrying the extra paddle for the group. It'll hold a paddle broken down into two pieces. It's easy to use. You can take it off easily, but now you're thinking, well, if it comes off that easily, how's it going to hold a paddle alongside? I didn't design this for whitewater, but I'll show you how strong it is. Backup paddle to get out because I'm old. Again, the Velcro brand, heavy duty. This kayak weighs about 55 pounds. So it's not going to come off until you want it to come off. Now in this view you can see where the pile part of the Velcro brand hook and pile system is attached. Here it's on the inside of the kayak cockpit on a sit on top. I've tried it where you can put it on the inside of the well where your feet are and drape the paddle pouch then over the side. So that's how it hooks in. The package comes with two of these, so you can put one on each side, or if you for some reason want to get this one off and put another one on, this is removable, and I'll show you that later, but it's a very strong adhesive when it's left undisturbed. So, you've got the paddle pouch on the white side, hook section goes to it, you drape it over. So when you take the paddle pouch out of the package, one of the loop panels is already installed on the hook panel where it attaches to the kayak. So, the way I do it, I take some blue tape and I mark where I want to put it. It's not real critical, but you know, maybe you put a paddle in, see how you like it, and then that's where you want to put it. So, this stuff is very, very sticky. This is going to be a one-take shot. Just peel off maybe an inch or so. Put it in position. Now it's partially stuck. Pull the rest of the tape out. Press it against the kayak. And then let it sit for 15 minutes as per the instructions. So while we're waiting the 15 minutes for the paddle pouch installation to set up, I'm going to show you how to take off the soft pile Velcro brand panel if you wanted to. Get up, get away from there, Ant. You can see that that's on securely. I put it on actually quite a while ago. To get it off, very easy. Regular rubbing alcohol. Which reminds me, when you clean the paddle pouches, use a mild detergent or soap, but don't use any petroleum-based or alcohol-based product because it will wreck it. So now you see where this wouldn't come up over here. Just put a little bit of alcohol underneath it. And it comes right off. Wipe it down if you want. That's it. So that's it. That's the paddle pouch. Easy to install. Very easy to use. Also, we're going to be offering separately a dry bag that with this additional panel, loop panel inside, you can attach it and it'll stay right close by you and not be adrift on the inside of the boat. So that's it, the patent pending paddle pouch from backupaddle.com. Come visit us at the site and we look forward to hearing from you.